Hello students, this is Neha Sharma once again with you. Today we are going to learn something related to grammar. Let me show you something. I have a rose. Clear? I have a rose. Now if I'll ask you what is the color of the rose? So you will say red. Once again I will say this sentence. I have a red rose. So red is the word which is describing the rose. Now let's come to know what are these describing words. Describing words are also known as adjectives, which describes the nouns and the pronouns. As I use the sentence, I have a red rose. So this red word is showing the quality of the noun. Moreover, it is describing the rose. Let me describe something for you. I have a car. I can say, I have a car. This is a small car. This is of yellow color, right? It has small tires. So I have used the words I have a small car. So car, I am telling the quality of the car that it is a small car. When I have a yellow car. So again, once again it is telling the quality of the car that it is yellow car. When I say it has small tires. So small word is also describing the tires because tires is nouns. So once again I want to tell you the describing words are the words which describe something about the nouns and the pronouns. Let me show you something else. I hope you can see this lady. This is an old lady. Let's see. This is an old lady. See, if I'll say this is a lady, that's okay. But if I am adding this is an old lady, so the word old is describing the noun lady. Now, today's topic is the describing words, which are also known as adjectives. Let's know something about adjectives. So let's see, adjective, a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun is called adjective. Or adjectives are those words which add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Let's see some examples. Black car, good boy, many toys, 5 boys, brave girl. I have used all these words, the group of the words in the sentences, and I tried to frame some sentences here. He has a black car. Ram is a good boy. My friend has many toys. Only 5 boys were present today. Radhika is a brave girl. Now you can see, if I will remove the words which are written in black letter, if I will remove those words, then also the sentence is giving a sense. But I have used those words to describe the nouns like black car, good boy, many toys. If I will use he has a car, that's okay. But he has a car, which type of car he has, that is not given. So if I have used here he has a black car, so that is describing his car, that which type of car, what is the color of his car. So this type of words which shows the qualities of the nouns are known as adjectives. Let's study in detail about adjectives. The first thing is, what is the position of adjectives in a sentence? We can have 2 positions of adjectives in a sentence. In some cases, it may be placed before nouns and it may, in some cases, it may be placed after some of the verbs. I am saying some of the verbs, not after all the verbs. Okay. So, let us see first where it will be placed before nouns and what is the role. For example, I have a big doll. Clear? I have a big doll. So, here first we have to, if I will say you have to get the noun in a if you have to get an adjective in a sentence, so you have to look for the noun first. Clear? So, what is the noun here? Noun is doll, and what is placed before this is big. So, big is showing the quality of the doll. So, big becomes adjective here. Let us see the second sentence. She is a tall lady. So, what is the noun here once again? Lady is noun, and what is placed before the noun? That is tall. So, tall is telling the quality of the lady. In other words, it is describing the lady. Give the beggar some food. Once again, we will see for the noun, and noun is food. Once again, some is what? Some is showing the quantity. So, quantity, quality, all these things, it is describing the food. So, this becomes adjective here. Today, I saw a black rose. So, rose is what? Noun, and before noun there is a word written black, and which is describing the noun, that is rose. So, this is what quality of the rose, because this is showing the color. Clear? So, this black become adjective. See this part after the verbs. I said some of the verbs are there which we have to remind. For example, be form, look, seem, appear and become. See, be, form, look, seem, appear and become. So, if the words which are describing the pronouns, like I said in the starting also, the adjectives are the words which are used to describe the nouns and the pronouns. So, if there is no noun here, so we can get the adjectives also, like she is beautiful. Now, be form is here, is. Clear? And just after that, the word beautiful is telling, which is telling the quality of the, which is describing she. So, this word she, this word beautiful is describing she, and this is placed after the verb is. So, this you have to keep in mind. Next, my father looks happy. Now, here it is because happy is noun and my father, that is okay, but here looks is what? Verb, and after this looks I have written happy. So, this is describing my father, that my father is happy. So, here once again after the verb looks, I got the adjective. Next one is you appear horrified. You appear horrified. See, the verb appear is also in that list. So, you appear horrified. Horrified is also describing something. So, horrified is what here? This is adjective, which is describing you, because this verb appears is there, and it is the another case where we can get the adjectives after the verbs. Now, we can say if an adjective is placed before the noun, that position is known as attributive position. If the noun is placed, if the adjective is placed before the noun, and if we will get the adjective after the linking verbs, that position is known as predicative position. So, this we have to remind about the position of the adjectives. Okay, then in this video, we learn what is adjective and what is the position of adjective. In the next video, we will learn about the kinds of adjectives. Thank you. Have a nice day.